Welcome back to Independent Blazers. I'm Dan, and today we're gonna have some grilled Japanese beef in downtown Bangkok in the area right between Brompong and Asok. But before we go, please like, subscribe, bang the notification bell as it helps the algorithm. Please follow us on X, formerly known as Twitter. And now, join me. Okay, so we've ordered a beef set, Wagyu beef, and also a bit of tongue, I believe, is in it. Yes, beef tongue is delicious if you like beef. Plus some rice, plus some other sides. So let's see how this all goes. All right, so here for the sides to start, some vegetables, spinach, oh, just in time. Miso soup, eggs, some sides. Right before me is some A5 Wagyu. Wagyu. This is some of the high quality stuff. We ordered another set because, well, one's good, two is better. Now, what's special about Wagyu beef? Well, apparently, the cows in Japan are very pampered. They live a very low-stress life, so they die happy. Similar to the concept of Kobe beef. Why Kobe beef is so expensive there. But let me tell you, Kobe beef tastes excellent. I had it once in Japan, not in Kobe itself, but in Sasebo, where I was with a ship a lot. And so now, I'm gonna try this Wagyu here. This is a wait and see moment. And here comes the second set. More A5 Wagyu. Baba beef, whatever that means. Folks, if you know something about good Japanese beef, try coming to this place. And many places like it in Bangkok. Bangkok has the most diversity in restaurants I've ever seen. Right. Now, let's try this. Do we dip it? This one? And this one? Wow. Mind-blowing. Apparently this one I'm supposed to mix with raw egg. Oh. Hey, not bad. I'd like the other one better, the sauce, but this is not bad either. I'm happy to have seconds. All right. Now another dip. Dip, 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 double dip. It's much spicier, but much better. What you're about to see below me is the best quality beef in this restaurant, apparently. I have yet to be an expert. I am not a chef or a food connoisseur, but we will wait and see. Quality and taste don't always mean the same thing, so let me see if I like it. The best beef, huh? We will see. Wait. Definitely the most tender, definitely the most soft. Taste is all right too, but I like the way it melts in my mouth. And by the way, I have a history lesson to give you, a quick one. See, the peppers and chilies, they're part of the Asian diet now. They're pretty much synonymous with Asian cuisine of all kinds. But these did not exist in Asia 550 years ago. These were brought over from the Americas by Europeans, whether you like it or not. Food is globalized, and it has been very globalized over the last 500 years. Gotta eat my veggies, right? When I was a kid, I dreaded eating vegetables. Now, I can't get enough of them. And now, oh, and yes, of course, as this beef is cooking, simmering, just waiting. It has my name on it. I can see a D, I can see an A and an N, and my last initial W. Oh, come on. All right, folks. As I'm slowly slipping into my food coma, I gotta say, I do like the place. I do. This is good. I do like Japanese food, and I associate East Asian food with being healthy, although it's not always the case, but this is a case where it is so. Mixing with raw eggs, onions, chilies, sauce, and knowing the history behind a lot of these foods kind of giving kind of an ego boost. But anyway, I thought I was done, but apparently I am not. They gave us a free ice cream, and now it's coconut. Coconut ice cream in a Japanese restaurant. Not very fitting, except the fact that we're in Thailand, so. Yeah, pretty decent. Pretty decent, actually. So folks, now that I have rated this in a positive light, please like, subscribe, share, bang that notification bell, as it helps the algorithm. It helps us, and hopefully it helps you too. I think it does. And in the meanwhile, grab your independent mind and blaze.